Well, we should note that it's obviously not illegal to live out of state as a landlord, but what does that say about an owner's commitment to the community and to their residents? It's why the city says they're working to crack down on these out of state landlords, but also incentivize local ownership.
Please do something about this. It's urgent.
To find a building owned by an out of state landlord in Hartford, all you have to do is follow your nose.
This is a bad actor in our city who's making money off of some of our most vulnerable residents.
Mayor Arunan Aralampalam capped off Housing Week in Hartford at this blighted apartment complex on Farmington Ave that's been cited for multiple code violations. Tenants like Gordon Platt say they've had enough.
I tried to get in touch with them, for shoveling of the snow, and there was no way I could get through. They weren't answering the phone.
You see, this building, along with the abandoned one next door and 13 others across the city, are owned by Pax Properties, an out-of-state entity last listed in New Jersey. It is operated under the guise of several LLCs.
We've got another property around the corner that's not getting hot water right now. We've got rodent infestation problems.
Dead mice, dirty diapers, old food, baby bassinets. Just a few of the items scattered among the field of debris that blights the landscape. The city has slapped them with health and safety citations over and over again.
We send them official notices and we tell them that for each of your violations, we're going to fine you.
And when that doesn't work, it can turn criminal.
We will make referrals to the state's attorney's office.
Hartford is cracking down on these so-called slumlords, and here's how. A city council proposal would raise the daily maximum fine for blight. Hartford plans to create a master list of all the known problem properties and make it public. The city leaders also plan to create a map where the specific problems can be logged,
so that we spot them before we get serious complaints coming from them.
The city is even beginning the foreclosure process on some properties, but it's not as easy as slapping a condemned sign on a door because people live behind them.
We pay a lot of money to live here, and we deserve to be treated with respect.
And one thing that's worth noting here is that the city is really relying on cooperation from residents. And that's because legally they're not allowed to enter private property unless, of course, they're invited in by a tenant. Then they can take action. We're live in Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.